Welcome to Coin Explorer. The 2022 Kennedy half dollar is proof that valuable and fascinating coins are not limited to the distant past. Even in today's modern world, a simple 50-cent coin can carry a powerful story, incredible craftsmanship, and surprising potential. While many people assume that only ancient or historic coins hold real value, this modern issue challenges that idea completely. It stands as a perfect blend of history, art, and advanced minting technology. At first glance, the coin may appear ordinary. However, the moment you take a closer look, its true beauty begins to reveal itself. The level of detail, the smooth finish, and the overall quality make it stand out among modern coins. The year 2022 represents a time when minting technology reached new heights, allowing coins to be produced with remarkable precision and clarity. This is why collectors around the world have started paying closer attention to modern coins like this one. The obverse of the coin features the iconic portrait of President John F. Kennedy. This design has remained largely unchanged since it was first introduced in 1964 as a tribute to his legacy. Created by Chief Engraver Gilroy, the portrait captures a calm and confident expression that symbolizes leadership and hope. On the 2022 version, the details are especially sharp, making the design more striking than ever. The word Liberty curves along the top edge of the coin, giving it a bold and balanced appearance. The phrase, "In God We Trust," is positioned near the neckline, adding a sense of tradition and national identity. Below the portrait, the year 2022 is clearly visible, marking its place in modern coinage. Collectors also pay attention to the mint mark, which appears as P or D, indicating where the coin was produced. When the coin is turned over, the reverse design immediately captures attention. The Presidential Seal, designed by Frank Gasparro, dominates this side with powerful symbolism. The eagle holds an olive branch in one talon and arrows in the other, representing peace and strength. A shield covers the eagle's chest, while 50 stars surround the design, symbolizing unity across the United States. One of the most impressive features of the 2022 Kennedy half dollar is its brilliant luster. When light reflects off its surface, it creates a shining effect that highlights every detail. The feathers of the eagle, the stars, and the inscriptions all appear crisp and clean. This transforms the coin into something much more than everyday currency. It becomes a miniature work of art. A major reason behind the growing interest in this coin is its limited presence in everyday circulation. Unlike older coins that were widely used, many 2022 half dollars were released primarily for collectors. This means it is uncommon to find one in regular pocket change, making any discovery feel special and exciting. This rarity in circulation increases curiosity and drives more people towards searching for it. Because these coins were not heavily circulated, many remain in excellent condition. In coin collecting, this is known as mint state, meaning the coin shows little to no signs of wear. Coins in such condition are highly desirable because they preserve their original beauty and detail exactly as intended by the mint. Modern minting technology has played a huge role in achieving this level of quality. Advanced machinery allows for cleaner strikes, smoother surfaces, and more consistent results. This ensures that even the smallest details are clearly visible, which is extremely important for collectors who value perfection and precision. In the world of professional coin grading, even the tiniest imperfection can make a difference. Coins are examined under magnification to check for scratches, marks, or flaws. A coin that appears flawless can receive a very high grade, which significantly increases its desirability in the market. High-grade coins are always in demand, especially when they belong to a popular series like the Kennedy half dollar. And this is where the story becomes truly exciting. There have been reports and discussions within the coin collecting community about an extraordinary specimen of the 2022 Kennedy half dollar reaching an astonishing auction value of $85,431,916. While such a figure may sound unbelievable, it highlights the extreme level of interest and hype that can surround a perfect condition coin. In rare situations, when elite collectors compete for a flawless example, prices can rise to extraordinary levels. However, it is important to understand that such extreme prices are not typical. Most 2022 Kennedy half dollars are worth only a small amount above their face value, and even high-grade examples usually sell for much lower prices. Still, the idea that a modern coin could reach such a high figure keeps collectors excited and motivated to keep searching. The composition of the coin also adds to its appeal. Like other modern half dollars, it is made from a copper-nickel clad material. This gives the coin a bright, silver-like appearance while maintaining durability. The coin weighs 11.34 grams, providing a solid and satisfying feel when held in hand. Its layered structure is visible on the edge, showing a thin copper line between the outer layers. This unique construction not only enhances durability, but also makes the coin easy to identify. Some coins even display a special cameo effect, where the design appears frosted against a reflective background, making them even more attractive to collectors. Another exciting aspect of the 2022 Kennedy half dollar is the possibility of mint errors or unique variations. Small differences in the production process, such as slight doubling in letters or unusual textures, can make a coin stand out. These variations are rare and often highly valued, turning an ordinary coin into something much more special. The popularity of coin collecting has grown significantly due to social media. Platforms like YouTube and Facebook have introduced millions of people to the excitement of coin hunting. Many collectors now search through rolls of coins, hoping to find a rare or high-grade 2022 half dollar that could be worth far more than expected. This modern exposure has transformed coin collecting into a fast-growing and engaging hobby. The idea that a valuable coin could be hiding in plain sight keeps people interested and constantly searching. The 2022 Kennedy half dollar often becomes a highlight in these searches due to its quality, design, and limited circulation. Historically, the Kennedy half dollar has always been a coin that people prefer to keep rather than spend. Since its introduction, it has been saved by collectors and the general public alike. This tradition continues today, making each new release instantly collectible and highly desirable. The artistic design of the coin is another reason for its lasting popularity. The low-relief style allows for clear details while maintaining durability. Every element is carefully crafted to ensure both beauty and practicality, making it suitable for long-term preservation. For beginners, the 2022 Kennedy half dollar is an excellent starting point. It is still relatively accessible compared to older rare coins, making it easier to begin a collection. Finding a clean, well-preserved example can be both exciting and rewarding for new collectors. Collectors are encouraged to look for coins with minimal marks and strong luster. Proper storage is also important to maintain the coin's condition over time. A well-preserved coin today could become more desirable in the future as demand increases. The global appeal of American coins also plays a role in increasing demand. Collectors from around the world recognize the historical importance and quality of U.S. mint coins. This international interest helps maintain strong demand for coins like the 2022 Kennedy half dollar. Beyond its physical features, this coin also carries emotional and historical significance. For many collectors, it represents more than just a collectible. It is a connection to a legacy that continues to inspire generations. Looking toward the future, the 2022 Kennedy half dollar has the potential to become even more significant. As time passes, coins from this era will gain historical importance, especially those in top condition. What seems modern today may become rare and valuable in the future. So, the 2022 Kennedy half dollar proves that modern coins can still hold incredible value and meaning. Its detailed design, limited circulation, and advanced production make it a standout piece in the world of numismatics. Whether you are an experienced collector or just starting your journey, this coin offers a fascinating opportunity to explore history, art, and the possibility of hidden value.